Hi guys, today we are going to be looking at the new Floresta shopping mall in Phuket. Yes guys, we are over at central Phuket and today we are going to be looking at one of Phuket's newest shopping malls called Floresta, which is situated just outside Phuket town on a site opposite the original long-standing central shopping mall. The mall was opened yesterday, the 10th of September 2018. Construction costs reportedly were a whopping 20 billion baht. The owners, the Central Patana company, are billing the shopping mall as their flagship mall in Thailand. Okay guys, from the outside it is a very impressive building and you are now getting two shopping malls that are joined together. The original Central Festival has now been joined to the new Floresta, and the way you can access the two buildings is via a suspended link bridge. This site now covers a total size of 111 rai, now offering over 400 shops and the world's first and only fantasy adventure theme park with a 3D walkthrough experience. And it offers a lot of parking with spaces available for 4,800 motorcycles, 62 large coaches and 4,209 spaces for cars. With most of this being undercover, there is also supercar parking, VIP parking, EV parking, lady parking, and my favorite, the big bike parking. So guys, if you are planning a shopping trip over to this new Floresta shopping mall, I would not worry about parking availability. Okay guys, we are entering on the ground floor, exiting the car parks. The ground floor is where you will find most of the restaurants situated. Also, the central food supermarket is situated here. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, you can do this by clicking the on-screen logo now. Alternatively, you can click the subscribe button below the video, and don't forget to click the little bell icon so you don't miss any of my forthcoming videos. Well guys, as you can see, there is a lot of variety on offer here. Not only produce from Thailand, but also a lot of imported goods, making this a great place to visit if you are looking for something particular that you cannot find in your local stores. But it's worth keeping in mind, whilst this supermarket does offer a good selection of goods, they may not be the cheapest for everything. As we move outside of the supermarket, you will find an area on the left hand side called the Taste of Thailand. And as the name suggests, this area is food, produce from Thailand. Moving further along the ground floor, this section then becomes the Tales of Thailand, which is meant to embody the Thai essence, culture and food. The center section is meant to reflect the Thai floating markets, selling various handcrafted goods, souvenirs and food. Down either side of the center section is an extensive selection of restaurants selling Asian food and Western food. After passing through the restaurant section, you will come to some handcrafted goods, and most of these goods are made in Thailand. Well guys, this is where I was hoping to be able to bring you a world's first the Trabum, the Mystic of Three Worlds. This is being billed the world's first and only fantasy adventure theme park with 3D walkthrough experience. And the theme park is promising to take visitors beyond the horizon of fantasy in this unparalleled experience, making the Trabum a new must-visit landmark of Phuket. But unfortunately guys, it's not finished and it's not going to be opening until at least the end of this year. However, I did manage to find out the prices of the tickets, which I was told are going to be around the 1500 baht mark. Right guys, we are going to move up to the first floor. The first floor, according to the listings, is fashion and accessories. There seems to be a large stage area where I presume it will be used for shows, exhibitions, etc. Well guys, first impressions, I have to say this looks very fancy indeed. And it even looks like you'll be able to pick up a new car from the shopping mall. However, I have a feeling that these are slightly out of my budget. Of course, between the two buildings, most of your well-known high street brands can be found. However, there are far too many to list for the video. A full listing can be found on the centralphuket.com website. And I would say most things are covered, so whether you're looking for the latest fashion and accessories, or health and beauty, gadgets and electronic goods, cars, or even motorbikes. There are a total of 5 levels to the building, with the top level offering banking services and even more restaurants. There are plenty of ATMs available, also a range of tourist services including money exchange. There is of course a multi-screened cinema in the connecting building at Central Festival, plus of course you have all the restaurants over there. And if that wasn't enough guys, they are also offering something called Aquaria, Ocean of Myth and Legend. This is going to be located at the basement level, and according to their website, Aquaria is going to feature 25,000 animals. I think maybe they could mean marine life. But again, unfortunately, this attraction is not open as yet, and from what I understand, this attraction will not be ready until sometime next year. Well guys, as always, I hope you have enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section down below, and I will do my best to answer them. And of course guys, if you have enjoyed my recent videos, please don't forget to give them a thumbs up. So until next time, catch you later.